All right, post analysis number 20, euro pound. We jump right into it. Took lots of entries. Finally, just to get to the end of it, I lost a tiny bit. I basically broke even after some entries, and then it did finally go in my favor in this little money spot. So let me explain. The big picture is we had buyers making new highs from here. The buyers actually got up to here, and sellers gave a big discount, big discount, big discount. Starts to slow down. Buyers take it from here, so the sellers say, let's give it less of a discount, and then the buyers take it up, but choppy. To get to this area where there was memory, where this discount came, the discount came slower, 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 and then the buyers must have said, this is just not gonna go any lower. So here's the desperation here, but we didn't make a higher high. Still no more discount, no more discount, no more discount. And bam, desperation from the buyers again, but not much volume. And they did make a higher high. Once they got to this high, the discounts kind of came in, not much. Buyers desperate again, it's pretty big. And then here comes the discounts from the same spot. So that's our area. This is buyer's territory. The sellers did give a discount. Got to this area, but it's still buyer's area. So let's see what the buyers got. Big discount, maybe they'll give more. Buyers buy it up a little bit, not too much. They're kind of shaking hands in this area, and then the seller realizes, okay, I got to give them more discount. So they give big discount, bam, bam. Buyers take it up not too fast. More discount, and then the buyers take it up strong. Okay, this looks like this buyer is back. Now we're in this money spot where these guys just gave a discount, but the buyers just bought. So that's a nice money spot right there on the 1 hour. Coming into my session, we have trading here. So we have on the 1 hour discounts coming in fairly quick. Come down to here, give a nice 80% discount. And the buyers do take it, but not very strong. And then we're coming back. So now it's time to drop to my trading time frame because this is my big boy. All right, trading time frame. Buyers were interested. They even bought it from a higher price, so the desperation was back. We have volume. Volume rising as this comes up, and then the sellers from this memory gave another discount. Not much buyers. They were forced to give a big discount. That's pretty strong. So really, we need to see if they're giving strong discounts, they'll probably give more discounts. So let's see. The buyers do take it up. Choppy, choppy, not much buyers. Sellers give a little bit more discount. No buyers. Sellers, big discount. Okay. Are they going to give any more? No, the buyers take it back up pretty quickly. They almost, from this guy who gave the discount, the buyers took it all the way back up. And that's where this candle was solid. So that's when I got fear of missing out and went down to my precision time frame and got in early. So basically this closed here, it didn't take him out. And then also, as Naveen teaches, why is there such a big pressure coming down? Why are they giving more discounts? Are they going to give more? So that should have been a sign for me to stand by. But what I keep doing is going to my lower time frames too early. And I've got to get a handle on that. So that right there should have said, okay, this is not yet. Don't get in a hurry. It's not yet. Let's give it a little more time. And that's exactly what it did. It finally rolled over, couldn't make any lower low. The buyers got interested again, started buying, and that could have been my entry point, which it was eventually. And then I even got back on a little test on the lower time frame and added a little bit more size. And it did go to my take profit fairly quickly. This one was just definitely too early. I believe the read was okay. I mean, even at one point on my precision, I went so low that I was starting to think that this was a sell. So I did 2 early buy entries, scratched them for minimal loss, and then I actually turned seller and then realized real quickly that was goofy. And this little arrow here was overall. Pound was weak, showing lots of weakness. Euro was neutral, so this one, this chart wanted to go up. So this, if I would have noticed things like this on my trading time frame and not stayed on my precision time frame so much, I would have not entered there, and this would have rolled over, no lower lows, and maybe even could have got a better price here because of I wouldn't have tried to switch over to the sell, because on an ultra low 1 minute time frame, this almost looks like a sell starting, and really that's what they need. They need people to think the sell is coming so that they can buy it. So I was temporarily some of those people. I mean, I bought my own stuff. But I think this has gone long enough. Back to my 1 hour real quick, just to see if there's anything else I need to look at. Okay, back on my 1 hour. Something also that I'm trying to get better at is my actual read of buyers and sellers in like refreshes, and then the first push, second push. So to me, this looks like, right, we went up, we tried, we needed a refresh, so we got sellers interested. We didn't make a lower price, but this got sellers interested. And then this should be push 1, pull back, push 2, pull back, couldn't go, needed a better price. We're still in buyer's territory. And then we're in this money spot. So this, to me, was going to be a first push, second push, and then third push. Try to go up, but it rolled over. And one thing I noticed was volume here, which puts that volume at the top of this pretty large move up that I'm guessing is what everybody calls overextended. I don't really know what that exactly means, or I mean, I kind of do. It needs to, maybe from this guy who started on the 4 hour, he never got a discount. So really it needs to pull back deeper to get the big boy discount, because from here to here, that's not a discount. And then from here to here, that's not a discount. And we just keep extending it. So this guy needs a bigger discount to continue. And I believe that's what a overextendedness is the next player needs to get his discount, because these little players have gone on long enough. There's nobody else. Big boys aren't pushing this any longer. So hopefully that makes sense. But yeah, so all in all, is tiny loss, pretty much break even. I would say waste of time, but I learned a lot, and so it's never a waste of time if you're learning. So all right.